Hi, this is Regitze. Are you using the right CTA? The CTA means call to action. It's what those buttons that you see on ads, what they're saying, that's call to action. It's right here. Now I'm in my own ad account, and you can see it here now. I'll move this a little bit. I'm under the ads where you actually put in the pictures and the text and everything like that. And here, that's the button here, learn more. And you can change it to different things, there's learn more, listen now, order now, is when you're selling something, usually a physical product. Shop now also, subscribe, sign up, watch more. There's a lot of different options. Also download or get offer, contact us, book now, buy ticket, and etc. Apply now. There's a lot of good ones. Learn more is a good one that I use a lot. But you have to think about that you don't want to scare people off by saying shop now when people are they just saw your ad and they are interested. But shop now is maybe a little bit too hard, and it's going to scare people off because they want to first learn more about it to see if it's something that they want to buy. So learn more is always a soft way, a good way, a good call to action to use. And you want it to be the very next step that you want people to take. So like with the shop now, that's gonna be the last step. But when they first see your ad, then they want to first learn more, and then maybe shop, then maybe buy. So you want the button to say the very next step that you want people to take. So yeah, comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, share it with your friends. Click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. And also if you want us to do all this for you, or you want help with it, then we specialize in getting leads and clients for coaches and consultants. You can book a call with me to learn more. There's a link in the description. Also, please join our free Facebook group called Successful Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. Link in the description. Take care. Bye.